and Hot Donna. Dear Stabby trying to provide some support. Fiery Fury punches through. 4 points for the Snowbirds. Fiery Fury trying to get one more scoring pass. Track cut penalty to Cherry's Little Monster. And that's the 2-minute whistle. Moved it into turn 3. First, bring up the outside. Last hit from semi-automatic. The first stays in bounds. Lead Jammer goes to the Snowbirds. That was still in a power start position. Cherry's Little Monster, having served their penalty, now re-enters the track. First still up in the front, fighting up against a tripod of the Snow Bunnies. Semi-automatic Semi-automatic jumping in the front, lots of speed and energy. Out of play is called. Her is set free. 4 more for the Snowbirds. Her signals the team, and the pack picks up speed. Says I would like to score some points before I have to call it off.
But calls it off, scoring 2 more points for a total of 6 for that jam.
Everybody, if you need more roller derby in your life, mark your calendars. Great City Roller Derby is bringing the heat this winter. Our teams are ready to hit the track for another season of high-speed action and hard-hitting excitement. Join us as we take on rivals from across the state and beyond. Get ready for bigger blocks, faster jammers, and the kind of excitement that only roller derby can deliver. Our next game is Saturday, April 27th at 7 p.m. right back here at the AT&T Sports Pavilion. I hope to see you there.
Flying Dutchman pulls out in front with lead. Pandemonium right on her heels.
Pat picking up speed as both jammers race around the track. Flying Dutchman calling it off right as they come up to the pack, but it's 1 point for the Snow Bunnies.
Don't forget, a portion of the proceeds from tonight's hoodie sales will go donated to support missing, murdered Indigenous women, an issue that is very personal and close to the hearts of our league and the community's hearts.
Number 999, Sharkbait jamming for the Snow Bunnies. Flip that number upside down. Number 666, Minnie Winnie jamming for the Snowbirds. Still working on their own initial pass. That's behind Squash as they re-enter the track.
Scoring 4 points on her pass.
And we got a penalty being picked up. Minnie Winnie going to go to the Brewers penalty box, which means it's a power jam for the Snow Bunnies. Track cut penalty on Sharkbait. They will go to the Brewers penalty box.
Which immediately releases the other jammer.
Makes it a power jam for the Snowbirds.
And also, mean, that's going to go for the 2 full minutes for this jam. Opportunity to score as many points as you can going through the pack.
You got your 30 seconds. My turn.
Right.
Sharkbait served their penalty back up onto the track. We did lose our lead jammer though, so we're going for the full 2 minutes. Sharkbait sprinting up the inside. 4 more for the Snow Bunnies.
Just in time for the whistle to be called on that jam.
Get your points.
Every point's going to count.
Number 11, EpiPen jamming for the Snow Bunnies. Number 62, Fiery Fury jamming for the Snowbirds.
You'll see the start pass is semi-automatic, and she's now going to take over for the jammers on the Snow Bunnies in this one. Whistle calling for that jam. And have you missed the game? You can catch up anytime on our official YouTube channel. That is at Rage City Roller Derby. If you're a new fan, you can give us a follow on Facebook or Instagram and pick up a free sticker at our recruitment table showing them that you've done so. And you can also find us on TikTok at Rage City Roller Derby. Let's go, Vic!
Number 53, Vic's jamming for the Snow Bunnies. Up against number 21, Catnado for the Snowbirds. Catnado punching through, says, get out of my way. Lead jammer goes to the Snowbirds. Completing your first scoring pass, 4 points for the Snowbirds.
Dexterson locks down on that tripod. Canada just skating around on the outside.
And that's Athena, Latina, Tiffinator, Fox, and Nova keeping Vince locked down for as long as possible. Canada again not slowing down. 4 more for the Snowbirds. The tripod continuing to revolve as new blockers come in to slow Vicks down for another moment and another moment. Catnado crashing in the outside, crashes up against Hot Donna, line blocker and semi-automatic reforming that tripod. Lorelai Kilmore trying to provide support. Catnado jukes to the inside. 4 more for the Snowbirds. And in like 5 seconds, already back for another scoring pass.
He's going to keep running right back into him and trying to push around him.
Catnado digging into those toe stops, but will be knocked out of bounds. Has to reset to the back of the pack. Vic's finally trying to find freedom. Does step out of bounds for just a moment.
Catnado is calling it and giving that a 16-point jam.
19.
Nice little run on that one.
Cherry's Little Monster now taking the star for the Snow Bunnies, going up against Burr for the Snowbirds.
It does show that in like 1 or 2 jams, depending on the point spread, you can get back up to a tie game, and then it's anybody's game at that point.
Burr printing up the outside, who crashes up against Hot Donna. Cherry's Little Monster trying to follow, but the door is closed for both of them. Cherry's Little Monster finds a new door though, lead jammer Snow Bunnies.
Star pass 2, number 69, Nova for the Snowbirds. we're wanting to deal with Nova getting back to the pack. The Snow Bunnies call it.
Flying Dutchman, number 9, jamming for the Snow Bunnies. Number 74, Pandemonium for the Snowbirds. Knocked out of bounds on that inside line by Tiffinator. Dragging them all the way to the back of the pack. KO also resetting to the back, trying to reassemble in the pack. Flying Dutchman punches through. Lead Jammer goes to the Snow Bunnies. Pandemonium being dragged back by Hot Donna, having to reset to try again. Flying Dutchman already around on another scoring pass. Russians into the back of the pack. They're gone. 4 points.
Looking for a way out of the pack.
One of the Bunnies picking up a penalty. They will go to the Brewers penalty box. Flying Dutchman grabbing 4 points. Squasher trying to hold Pandemonium down. Pandemonium punching through. Hot Donna still in their way. There's something lovely about Derby when you see a jammer fighting to get through, but they're still smiling, and so's the blocker that's stopping them.
Having a little bit of friendly banter while we're running into each other. It's a great team sport.
And then we find ourselves back here again.
Right?
Oh, imagine that. Another full 2 minutes. That endurance is being tested right now. Everybody, as we move into the last 10 minutes, we told you once, but we will tell you again. The official after-party location is at the Peanut Farm. If you want to make your way there after the game, get yourself something to eat, you can hang out with some of the skaters. We'd love to see you there. Big shout out and thank you to the Peanut Farm for continuing to be our official after-party location.
Skating for the Snowbirds, we have Minnie Winnie, and skating for the Snow Bunnies, Shark Bait. Shark Bait pulling out of the pack, getting in lead.
Go Minnie!
Minnie Winnie right on her heels. And she calls it getting out of the pack, scoring 4 points for that jam. Skating for the Snowbirds, we have Fireweed Fury. Skating for the Snow Bunnies, EpiPen. All the way back to reset. Both skaters just fighting for every inch they can and pushing the crowd along, and Fireweed Fury breaks out, getting the lead. Star pass on the
leans into their opponent and says, thanks for keeping me in bounds. I'm gone. Lead Jammer goes to the Snowbirds. Cadnado, a mere 5 seconds has passed. Punches straight between. Line blocker and Sugar Honey Iced Tea. 4 more for the Snowbirds. You're gonna need more than that. Cadnado leaping through the juice.
Best dodging left and right, going through the hands. This time Vix on her heels.
Cadnado says, I can get some more before you get here. Crashes into the pack, calls it off. 2 points for the Snowbirds, 1 for the Snow Bunnies.
Total for a 10 for the Snow Bunnies. No, 1 for the Snow Bunnies, 10 for the Snowbirds.
Cherry's Little Monster taking the star for the Snow Bunnies, saying, yeah, good job, Cadnado. I've been rocking my own points tonight, and I'm ready to get some more. Go now against number 454, Purr, for the Snowbirds.
I know you love watching roller derby. Great City Roller Derby is Alaska's first and Anchorage's only roller derby team. Voted best sports team in Anchorage 6 years in a row from 2017 to 2022 by the Anchorage Press Picks.
Cherry's Little Monster jamming for the Snow Bunnies. Already picked up lead Jammer. Quick little jump on the inside. 4 points for the Snow Bunnies.
Star pass to number 69 Nova for the Snowbirds.
Cherry's Little Monster still on another scoring pass, crashing up against the back of the pack. Steps around the outside, digs in those toe stops despite a strong hit from Chupacabra. Grabs 4 points and calls it off. Nova grabbed 2 points of their own.
And remember, if you like what you are seeing on the track, don't forget to vote for your fan favorite.
We'll be announcing the winner of the fan favorite right after the end of the game.
So you have about 3 minutes and 50 seconds to do it.
Number 9, the Flying Dutchman taking the star for the Snow Bunnies. Number 21, Cadnado returning for the Snowbirds. Got a timeout being called by the Snowbirds. They'll have 60 seconds. Take a moment to breathe, get themselves a small drink of water, strategize how they want to go into the last 3 minutes and 31 seconds of this half and of this game. Remember, everyone, there's another game that's going to be happening Saturday, April 27th, right back here in this very building. I hope to see you there. What is that, in 6 weeks?
Something like that.
7 weeks.
7 weeks, yeah. Hey, if you want to see your banners at the game, you can get a logo on our jerseys. You can hear call out to the events. We have a wide variety of ways that a sponsor can help the league with tons of perks for you and your business. If you want any information on that, visit RapeCityRollerDerby.org and look at the information there.
I don't know if they were, but I really want to believe that the timekeeper was nodding their head emphatically at me failing to do math about the amount of time it was until the next game.
So you have to pull out a calendar now because I'm just doubting how many weeks we have.
6, 7? No, yes. No, what game?
What is time? Flying Dutchman skating for the Snow Bunnies and number 21 Cadnado skating for the Snowbirds.
Let's go, Dad!
Cadnado leaping into action and attack the outside line. Squasha locking it down with support of Hot Dama and Sugar Honey Iced Tea. Flying Dutchman punching through first. Lead Jammers goes to the Snow Bunnies.
Cadnado knocked out on the outside and has a penalty called, making it a power jam for the Snow Bunnies.
That was a track cut penalty, and one of their wheels was out of bounds as they tried to lateral around on the outside line. Through the forearm? Oh, okay. I saw something different. But I believe you. You're the one who made the call. Well, no, it was an OPR that made the call. But I believe you all the same. Flying Dutchman now on a scoring pass. Line blocker trying to help them through. One last hit. from Smack and Cheese as they go by for 4 more points. I believe that was a failure to reform penalty being assessed to Smack and Cheese, who will make their way to the Brewers penalty box. Catnado, having served their penalty, returns to the track. Donna trying to provide some offense to help Flying Dutchman get through the pack in the back. Tripod created by Quarter Pounder, Debutante, and Fox, locking Flying Dutchman down.
Catnado makes it out of the pack.
Multiplayer penalty assessed a line blocker. They will go to the Brewers penalty box right as the whistle blows. 4 more for the Snow Bunnies.
For the Snow Bunnies, we have Sharkbait skating as Jammer. For the Jammer on the Snowbirds, we have Fireweed Fury.
Fireweed Fury jamming for the Snowbirds. Tripod of Hot Donna. Deer Stabby and semi-automatic trying to hold them down. Smack and Cheese serves their penalty, returns to the track. Sharkbait locked in the back behind that bastion of blue. Tino Latina's dropping forward with Bridge to maintain pack cohesion. Lead Jammer goes. Lead Jammer goes to Fireweed Fury, but it looks as though their truck has spun, so they can't skate straight. A good enough reason to call it off. Let's not try and skate on improper equipment. It's a good way to get hurt. EpiPen taking the star for Snow Bunnies, up against 454 per for the Snowbirds. Lots of energy per trying to get through that front wall. EpiPen leans into their opponents, will take a hit from Fupacabra and Nova, sending them out of bounds on the inside. Reset behind the tripod of Nova, Tina, and Fox. First still trying to pick apart the Bunnies wall. Reset to the back by Donna. Line blocker, semi-automatic, and Deer Stabby reassembling the tripod up at the front. Burn lots of speed on the inside. Lee Jammer goes to the Snowbirds.
Keep it going!
Bird driving 4 points, takes a look at the clock and says, I'll keep going. Semi-automatic, having taken the star cover for the Snow Bunnies, punches through. Bird responds with 4 points of their own. He says, all right, we'll take it.
I think that whistle means something important, like that's the end of the game.
That's the whistle.
Right, there's the whistle.
Your unofficial final, everybody. Snowbirds 114, Snow Bunnies 148. Everyone, I hope you had a good time tonight. Remember, the official after party is at the Peanut Farm. If you need somewhere to go right after here, that's a good place to find yourself something to eat, something to drink. You can hang out, talk about the game. Also remember, right back in this very location in some number of weeks, I don't know how to do math, April 27th, same time, same place, will be another game hosted by Rage City Roller Derby. We hope to see you